Today in this video we will learn electronic devices name in English. Camera. Camera. The camera takes photos. Game console. Game console. The game console is fun. Power bank. Power bank. The power bank charges phones. Video camera. Video camera. The video camera records videos. Wi-Fi router. Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi router gives internet. Microphone. Microphone. The microphone records sound. Memory card. Memory card. The memory card stores files. Keyboard. Keyboard. I type on the keyboard. Food processor. Food processor. The food processor cuts vegetables. Light bulb. Light bulb. The light bulb is bright. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. The coffee maker makes coffee. Hairdryer. Hairdryer. The hairdryer dries hair. Television. Television. We watch television. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner cleans the floor. Electric stove. Electric stove. The electric stove is hot. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. The dishwasher washes dishes. Toaster. Toaster. The toaster makes toast. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. The electric kettle boils water. Washing machine. Washing machine. The washing machine cleans clothes. Sandwich maker. Sandwich maker. The sandwich maker cooks sandwiches. Grill. Grill. The grill cooks meat. Freezer. Freezer. The freezer keeps food cold. Fan. Fan. The fan moves cool air. Air conditioner. Air conditioner. The air conditioner cools the room. Electric razor. Electric razor. The electric razor shaves quickly. Radiator. Radiator. The radiator keeps the room warm. Radio. Radio. The radio plays music. Mouse. Mouse. I use the mouse every day. Tablet. Tablet. The tablet has a large screen. Hard disk. Hard disk. The hard disk stores data. Flash drive. Flash drive. The flash drive is portable. MP3 player. MP3 player. The MP3 player plays songs. Web camera. Web camera. The web camera records video. Speaker. Speaker. The speaker is very loud. Charger. Charger. The charger powers the phone. Projector. Projector. The projector shows pictures. Remote control. Remote control. The remote control changes channels. Air fryer. Air fryer. The air fryer cooks food. Lamp. Lamp. The lamp gives light. Iron. Iron. The iron removes wrinkles. Mixer. Mixer. The mixer mixes ingredients. Blender. Blender. The blender makes juice. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. The microwave oven heats food. Oven. Oven. The oven bakes bread. Fridge. Fridge. The fridge keeps food fresh. Printer. Printer. The printer prints documents. Headphones. Headphones. I wear headphones. Earphones. Earphones. The earphones play music. Smartphone. Smartphone. The smartphone is very useful. Laptop. Laptop. I study on my laptop. Desktop. Desktop. The desktop is on the desk.